Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video would share with you one of the positive update that we have got from the Infosys company that they are going to rehire the people who were having the gap. So that is a good positive update, and we will also share with you multiple referrals so that you can share your portfolio, you can share your resume to those particular email addresses, and you can increase your chances for getting shortlisted for the interviews. Now, before we go ahead, I would like to tell you about one of the career guidance call that you can book on TopMeet. So if you are stuck in your career, if you are looking for switch from non-IT to IT, if you are looking to switch your career from manual testing slash ETL testing slash non-functional testing to automation testing, if you're looking for job opportunities for SDET, but you're not getting calls, so you can book a call on TopMate for the same, and I'll connect with you personally for 30 minutes, and we will have end-to-end discussion and we'll try to guide you, mentor you in best possible manner that I could. So this is a career guidance call you can book on the TopMate, and you can see the availability and you can book accordingly. Now, let me share the details about the special hiring program, and it is designed for women. So let me share the details with you. So Infosys has announced a restart with Infosys, that is a special hiring program for women. And what they are going to do is they are going to give the opportunity for the people who were on a break of maybe minimum 6 months or minimum 2 years of prior work experience in the relevant skills, right? So opportunities are available for Infosys, and it is pan-India location. So as of now, you can apply in Pune, for you can also apply for Bangalore, Chennai. There are so many locations where this company is there, and they are also looking for testers. So these are the roles. So Selenium testing, performance, ETL testing, Java, Python, .NET, SAP, data analytics, cybersecurity, risk management, Pega, React, AngularJS, Salesforce. So all these opportunities are there with respect to the Infosys company. And this is the email address, which is a referral email address. So you can also connect with Shweta on LinkedIn. And this is the email address, metashweta@gmail.com. So you can connect with her, and you can also share your CV along with the other mandatory details like your CTC, last CTC that you were taking when you were employed, expected CTC, and the preferred location, how soon you can join, right? So those all details, I would suggest you should draft a proper email and send it to her, right? Don't worry about the salary, don't worry about the package. Try to at least draw the same package that you were getting in the last job, or at least 10 to 20% of hike. Now, if you will see that the about the package, and if you will think from that particular perspective, then it would be difficult for you to get a job opportunity because you're having a gap, and this kind of programs are not started by most of the companies. Earlier they used to do, but now it has got reduced. So it's a very good opportunity. I would suggest apply, get the job, get back into the game of the testing, and then after 1 year, you can again go for a switch for the more amount of the better salary, right? For now, try to have the salary, try to have the package that you were getting in the last company before the gap, right? So that would be beneficial for you. You should definitely stand out in the crowd, and you should be able to negotiate on those terms. Apart from this, there's one more company which is having multiple hirings, right? So for that also we have got the referral. So Volkswagen company is hiring for various positions. So you can see the location Pune, Bangalore, Gurugram, and they are hiring for SAP expert. So SAP level of roles are there. Product manager role is there. Architect roles from ServiceNow, Salesforce architect role, Microsoft Azure DevOps, then Microsoft Power BI, test manager, testing manual ETL, 10 to 13 years of experience, right? Then senior technical expert, ServiceNow, senior architect, product management, enterprise architecture. So the vacancies are starting from 3 to up to 18 years. So lot of profiles, lot of roles are there wherein you can apply in this particular company. And I'll share with you the referral email address as well for this particular company. Okay. So this is the referral email address. It is with respect to the Volkswagen Group Digital Solutions. So you can send your CV and your details at this particular email address. Okay. So Volkswagen is hiring for multiple positions, and we saw with respect to various locations and technologies. And the people are coming forward to assist you to provide you the referral. But what is important is you don't have to spam their emails. You have to mention job code in the email from the list while sharing resume. So I showed you that particular image and that the job code is present. So just use the job code and get the calls. Right. So these are the job codes. Right. So according to that, you can apply. And one more referral opportunity and one more mass company which is doing mass hiring. So let me share those details with you. Okay. So Agoda is also hiring for various positions, and this is actually for someone who wants to relocate to Bangkok or Singapore. So if you are looking forward to have a global job, if you are looking forward to move outside, go abroad, then you can apply for these positions. There are multiple positions: engineering manager, full stack engineering manager, lead software engineer, front end, full stack, staff software engineer, Android backend, front end. So there are so many opportunities are there. So you can apply, you can connect with Jyoti, and she'll assist you for the referral. You can request her, and you can get your chances increased for the interview calls, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. And last but not the least, don't forget to book the call on the career guidance. Definitely, it would be worth it if you book the call, and we'll definitely try to assist you, mentor you, guide you in whatever best way we can, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.